Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. So here CCMT has released counseling schedule and the process for application of NITs for your M.Tech program through your gate score, right? So now where to go and what to do, right? How to apply. So what you need to do is first you go to this Google and you go to this CCMT website, right? CCMT 2024, you just check it, right? And this website, right? Centralized Counselling for M.Tech and M.Arch, right? This website you click it, and first and foremost thing you need to do is you just check the schedule, because in this schedule now, right, what are the different dates are available, right? So the starting date of your online registration, fee payment and online choice filling, right? You can start filling your choices also, and you can start paying the fee, and you can start registration. All you can do from which one? 24th May 2024, right? Already it is started 5 days back. So hurry up guys. And what is the last date for registration unlocking by candidate? So it is Friday 7th June, okay, 7th June 2024, 5:30 p.m., right? So don't be late, right? Start applying for this and start filling the choices, because the choices variation rate will be moving upward, downward, and the choices order also will be changing now many times after consulting many people, right? Many faculty like us and your seniors and everybody. So that will take time, right? So you should have sufficient time available for you when you are going for this, you can say, right? So last date for this online registration and fee payment is what? So that is also same 7th June only. And resolution of issues related to fee payment, last date for that fee payment will be so 10th June. So it is better you go for all these things in the starting itself, right? So that what will happen now? So you will not be in a trouble, right? You don't know after the dates are over, you don't know whom to contact, right? What to do. So those are all difficulties will come into picture, right? And the locking of choices will be by 10th June last date. So even if you are not locking also, automatic locking will happen, and by saving the options, whatever the options you have selected will happen on this 10th June, right? And on 12th June, the first round announcement, first round seat allotment announcement will be done, you can say, right? Again, once you have got allotted, right? If you wanted to finalize this one, and yes or no, if you wanted to finalize the option whatever you have selected, and you wanted to accept that, right? So from where it is on on 12th June, right? From 12th June to 18th June, this time is given, right? Payment of this seat acceptance, right? And we have to upload these documents specifying whether you wanted to freeze this option, or you wanted to float, or you wanted to slide and withdrawal, right? You wanted to cancel that also, right? So whatever the options you wanted to select, you can select from this 12th June to this 18th June for the first round only, okay? And so online document verification is also there on which one? This 12th June Wednesday, you can say, right? They will be checking, right? And the deadline for online document verification will be up to 19th June, right? And the last date for any issues and everything regarding that, so to resolve them, 20th June will be there, right? And after this first round is over, then second round allotment of seats will be starting, right? Announcement of this round 2 seat allotment, because why this round 2 will come into picture? Because some people they will be withdrawing, those who have got in good IITs, right? So they will be withdrawing these NIT seats, right? Then you are having a chance of getting which one? So upgrading your options, right? So Monday 24th June it will be available, right? Same process will be happening up to this 28th June, right? Whatever it is happening in the round 1. Next round 3 will be starting on this 1st July. Round 4 will be starting on so round 3 will be starting on this 1st July, you can say. So like that. So this is how the process will be there. At first you go through these dates, right? Where you can find schedule and this counseling schedule. First you go through these dates and mark these dates in your calendar and go according to that, right? Now coming to this, after that what is that we need to do? So first and foremost thing, you go for this, right? You go to the home, and after that candidate activity board, you click on this online registration, fee payment and choice filling, right? So you go to this, and if you did not register previously, right, what you go, new candidate registration you go for, okay? And here you declare these agreement, you click on this I agree and fill your details, candidate name, gate registration ID, gate exam year, right? So which students can apply now? Gate score is valid for 3 years now, 2022, 2023, 2024 students can apply. And gate examination paper, right? Which examination paper, right? Civil engineering, chemical, biotechnical, right? Whatever it is, engineering branch, electrical, computer science, right? Mathematics, right? You select your branch, right? And enter your gate score, and how many marks you got out of this 100, and what is it, you can say you enter this security pin and submit. Then you'll be getting the registration details, send it to your registration details you'll be getting, you can say. Okay, so once this is done, once the registration is done, right, what you need to do, you enter on to this, right, registered candidates sign in, right. Once your registration gets over, confirmation of registration if you get now, then you go for this entering into this, right. Then after that, right, what is it we need to do here? The first and foremost thing, right, which institutes we have to apply, whether you are eligible for this or not, right, and in which institute what kind of seats are available, you can say, right. Here seat matrix for this 2024, right, and you can go through this one. Seat matrix means what seats are there, right. If you mapping institute, department, PG program, gate, like that, you can go for this mapping, or you can go for which one, this directly that seat matrix, right. You can select which one type of this institute, right, all types of institute, NITs, triple ITs, CFTIs, right, whatever the institute you are selecting, if you select all, so that institutes also all institutes, right, a particular NIT we can go for, or you can go for this, you can check for this all NITs also, right. Department, suppose if you are from this civil engineering department, right, what you can go for, you just select this CE, Department of Civil Engineering, right, program, right, which program, whether it is a structural engineering, smart structural engineering, right, environmental, geotechnical, right, whatever it is, civil engineering structures, C4, or you wanted to check all, you can check all, right. So group, right, so all groups you wanted to check, you just check, select all. So this is how the list you will be finding, right, institute name, department, and a program, right, group, which group it will come under this and open category PWD, EWS category, and different categories of seats available for you, right. So you can check yourself whether you can be eligible or not in these, right, if you just observe, right. Now in this also whether with your gate score we can apply for this or not, right. How can you check that? In the e-services, opening score and closing score. So this opening and closing score, right, this you click it, right, for 2024, right, what is it, you can say 2024 session now. So how can you check that? So you wait until this comes into picture, and you can check your scores here, right, whether you are eligible or not for this, you can check yourself, right. And so like that, these are all the informations you are having. So what are the reserved categories, right, which reservation you belong to, because some of the state reservation categories and central reservation categories will be different actually, right. So if you wanted to check, so whether you belongs to SC category or ST category or OBC category, from this list you can check it, right, which categories are considered under this SC, ST and OBC from central government point of view, right. You can check here and you apply under this category, you can say, because in some of the states you may belongs to one category in your state, but central wise it may be another category also. So here I told you now, so this is the last rank and first rank, right. So which round number, how many rounds have done, right, 3 rounds have done, and after that 2 special rounds and a national spot round will be there, right. Those who did not get in any of this round, so spot round will be announced, we can say, right. So you can directly go to the institute and you can get the admission if you are the if you are the first ranker in that, or number based on the number of seats available, right. So let us say if you wanted to check it in the round 1, you check it institute, right, which institute you wanted to check, you can check it if you just observe it. These are all the institutes participating now. You can check which institute you wanted to check it, right, NITs, triple ITs, right. So National Institute of Technology, Bhopal, if you wanted to check it, select the program, right, you are interested in which programming, you can say, so whatever it is, a programming, right, aerospace, architectural, right, civil engineering, right. So this one, and what is it you can do, category, right, which category, whatever the category you are having, that category you check it, right. Yes, now here whenever you are selecting these categories, right, you will be getting these, you can say, right, you will be getting these details, right. Here it is not there, one sec. So here if you are selecting these structures now, civil structures, you may be getting this here, all categories, right, open category or whatever the category, right. So this one, so here you will be getting the list, right, depending upon the one you have selected, right. For this category the total records are 0, means for that category that institute is not offering, you can say, right, it means that. So that is why first you have to check in this seat matrix, right, which institute, which departments are available and which program is available, you can say, right. So hope you are all going for this one, and start registering yourself, right. You know, right, where you have to register, right, go to the home page and click on this, and register, right? New candidate registration, click on this and start registering, right? Before that you start going for which one, this schedule, right? So thank you, all the best guys, right? Thank you everyone.